BBC, TB Joshua is not the problem of Nigeria. BBC, TB Joshua is not the problem of Nigeria. We have many problems in this country, Nigeria. In this Nigeria, Biafra issue. In this Nigeria, slaughtering of Christians. In this Nigeria, hardship everywhere. In this Nigeria, our politicians are stealing our money and traveling to the United Kingdom. And you people are not talking about it. You people are not talking about it. Because BBC owned by United Kingdom. BBC is from United Kingdom. United Kingdom, Britain. And they are the one that colonized us. They slaughter more than 200 Christians in Nigeria, 25 December. And they are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria. Have you BBC, have you people come to Nigeria and come to investigate and ask questions about their, have you people asked about the politicians in Nigeria that are sponsoring this Boko Haram and French herdsmen that is slaughtering Christians in Nigeria? Have you people do investigation to know the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and French herdsmen that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria since 2009? Nothing. TB Joshua is not the problem of Nigeria, BBC. TB Joshua is not the problem of Nigeria. Have you people investigate and know the people that are sponsoring this Boko Haram and French herdsmen that are slaughtering Christians in Nigeria? BBC, United Kingdom, Britain. Leave Nigeria alone. Leave Nigeria alone. Leave Nigeria alone. TB Joshua is not a problem of Nigeria. BBC, United Kingdom. Leave Nigeria alone. Have you people investigate and do research about the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and French herdsmen that are killing Christians in Nigeria? Have you people did it? The answer is no. The presidential election in Nigeria, have you people come to investigate and know what really happened in election in Nigeria? The answer is no. And now you people are talking about TB Joshua that have died. Listen, I want to say something about this issue of TB Joshua. Do you see all those people now that is coming out now? All of them that is coming out saying that TB Joshua do this to me, TB Joshua do this to me. But when TB Joshua was alive, so many of you did not talk anything. So the answer is, both you people that are saying that TB Joshua do this to me, all of you, when all of you will die, and when all these BBC journalist workers, all of you will die. When you people will die, you people will go to underworld. When you people go to underworld, you people will see TB Joshua. When I go judge the case. So when you people die, go. When I go see TB Joshua in the realm of the spirit, where the dead people, when I go talk one-on-one, the BBC journalists will join them there. All of you people will talk, discuss it. So, and you people are here talking about dead story. You people are talking about TB Joshua. TB Joshua that have died many years ago. And you people are here talking about TB Joshua. When all the journalists, BBC, you people will die. And all those people that are saying that TB Joshua, do me this, do me that, all of you will die. When you people will die, and you people will meet TB Joshua in the underworld. When you people will meet TB Joshua in another world, then you people will talk about it. You people will discuss about it. You people will talk about this. So now TB Joshua is no more on this earth. Why are you people bringing that story here? BBC, TB Joshua is not more alive. He's no more on this earth. Then why are you people bringing that story and bringing it out? We have many life story in Nigeria. Life tales that is happening. Christians have been slaughtered in Nigeria. BBC, have you people investigate and know the people that are sponsoring it? Know the people that are sponsoring Boko Haram and French herdsmen that slaughtering Christians? Have you people investigate to know the Nigerian politicians that are sponsoring this Boko Haram and French herdsmen? BBC, have you people did that? All the Nigerian politicians that are stealing our money from this country, hide it in United Kingdom. That United Kingdom that own BBC. All the monies that belongs to Nigeria, they have stolen it and Carry it, go to United Kingdom. Have you people investigated to know all the pro-teachers that are doing this? The answer is no. BBC, TB Joshua is not the problem of Nigeria. This is a dead story. This is a dead story. TB Joshua is no more on this earth. So all these BBC journalists and all these people that is talking about TB Joshua, all of you that are saying that TB Joshua do me this, TB Joshua do me that, you people the last. When you people will die, both all these BBC journalists, you people will meet Joshua, TB Joshua, in another world, When you people meet TB Joshua in another world, then you people are free to talk to him. You people are free to revive the case. You people are free to bring the case now up. But BBC, we don't need this kind of story again in Nigeria. We have problem in Nigeria. And this problem need to be solved. We are dying in Nigeria, and you people are here talking about TB Joshua that have died many years ago, and Christians have been dying. Biafra issue, trouble everywhere in Nigeria. How about the citizen of United Kingdom? Nnamdi Kanu has been kidnapped from Kenya. What have people talk about it? A citizen of United Kingdom. BBC, you journalists, you people should stop it. We don't need this kind of story in Nigeria. Bring out the election in Nigeria, the presidential election. Bring it out. Let us know what happened in this presidential election. Bring out the Nigerian politicians that are sponsoring this Boko Haram and French herdsmen. Bring it out. Bring those Nigerian politicians that are stealing Nigerian money, stealing our money, and we are suffering in Nigeria. They stole our money and traveled to the United Kingdom. Bring them out. Bring you all those out. You people are here talking about TB Joshua, and I know that is United Kingdom that colonized Nigeria. They are the one that own this BBC. We have a serious problem in Nigeria. We have a serious problem in this country, in Nigeria. And you people, BBC, are not even care to know what is happening. Do you know how many Christians that have been slaughtered in Nigeria? Every month, mass burial. Every month, mass burial. And you people don't care. We have a serious problem in Nigeria, and you people leave that problem of Nigeria. TB Joshua is not the problem of Nigeria. BBC, TB Joshua is not the problem of Nigeria. We have a serious problem in Nigeria. This election, do you know how they rig election in Nigeria? What have you BBC done over it? In election, the presidential election in Nigeria, you see how they leaked the election? What have you people did about it? BBC, let me stop this message here. I'm still your brother, Evangelist Ebube Joseph Ezagoba.